transformation, intelligence of production. Where imagination becomes a reality, the light of intelligence illuminates the machinery of human civilization. Here, the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment and eco-friendly, intelligent production lines ensure help us meet customer needs quickly. Entire process from blanking, forging, heat treatment, welding, machining, assembling, and painting. This high level of integration has become the driving force behind intelligent transformation, digital conversion, and interconnection. By combining advanced and sophisticated equipment, robust cluster and digital operation platform, we have realized unmanned production and online intelligent detection in the entire production process. We ensure a three-level reliability system of raw materials, key components, and complete machine runs efficiently across the full product life cycle. It ensures every part and every set of equipment shines with the radiance of craftsmanship.